Ladies and gentlemen, I have been given a mission. From my Lord on high, I have been given the task to destroy this phone. Now, I realize a lot of you are saying, like, "Why, mate, why are you destroying this phone? All you gotta do is, like, replace the glass, and it'll be perfectly fine. I'll take it, mate." Well, the problem is that this is actually my mom's phone, and she came in and said, "Hey, I need you to destroy this," because she works in business, and there's a lot of important files on this that probably shouldn't get out. So the best course of action is to just annihilate it. And I thought, you know what? It'd be cool if I could just destroy it on camera just to get a video out. And I actually haven't seen this in a while because I've been just putting this off for like a bit. And I remember, oh yes, we have a very spicy pillow. If you don't know, spicy pillow is a term that's used for a battery that is expanding. Yeah, look at that. Let's see if you can see that. Oh, my finger's in the way. Oh yeah, look at that. I think what originally happened to this is that she dropped it, and it took a hit right there, and that just annihilated the screen. I don't know what happened back here. I don't know what happened to this part. It might have been the spicy pillow. I think first thing I'm going to do is actually just take the pillow out and add it to the collection, and then we'll get going on the big smash. Just rip it off. Oh, there's glass everywhere. Oh no. There is this kind of like plastic thing that goes. Oh my god, this is a bomb. There's this like a plastic thing that goes around the motherboard, and we gotta remove it. Can I do this? Alright, there is our cable. Oh man. Ugh. Whoo boy. Look at that spicy boy. Hold on. Here's this spicy boy from my old phone. I think we took this out in the fixing my phone video. Here's this spicy boy from this one. I don't know what this is all about. Yeah, it's a lot. Oh no. Oh, it's a lot spicier. Oh man, yeah, this goes in the collection. I'm keeping these. Let's take this. Take this pin out. This pin's still good. And just chuck everything back on, you know? It's all... Alright. We're just gonna... Alright, that's... Yeah, it's good enough. I'm gonna move the camera, and we're gonna destroy this thing. And with that being said, I'll see you next week. Oh no, look at all this like dust. Oh man, oh, this is dangerous. it's so floppy. Oh man, yeah. Maybe a good hit or two will be enough. Man, this thing's like dense. I think it's mostly dead.